Hello, thank you for purchasing your AT&T Internet Backup, brought to you by AT&T and DataRemote. The CDS-9010 supports your critical wired devices with 2 GB LAN ports, as well as your wireless devices with a built-in Wi-Fi access point. It also supports up to 12-hour battery backup. Today I'll be showing you how to set up your CDS-9010. So over here we have our CDS-9010 box. Let's turn around over here. You will open your box. You will find your set of your instructions. So now you have your filler pack, your battery pack, your yellow Ethernet cable, your 2 LTE antennas, your power plug, and your CDS-9010. First, we're going to start off by connecting your LTE antennas. So right here through the back, you'll grab the LTE antenna, you'll screw it on. You grab the second LTE antenna, and you'll screw it on. Make sure that the LTE antennas are pointing up and none of the antennas are touching. You'll then grab your battery pack. Make sure you connect it right where the LED power light is. You'll slip it on right over here. You go ahead and grab the filler pack and connect to the side. You'll then grab the Ethernet cable. Make sure you connect the Ethernet cable and the blue WAN port. You'll then connect it to your AT&T Internet Gateway onto the yellow LAN port. Now you will grab the plug, make sure you plug it in on the back right over here into a power outlet that supports 110 volts. Make sure that your AT&T Internet Gateway is connected correctly onto your CDS-9010. Now, connecting your wireless devices. Your SSID and your password will be located on the bottom of the device. You will have this placeholder. You will just push it in front of the device. You'll take it out, and then you'll see that your SSID and your password will be available. You'll go ahead and connect your wireless device by using the SSID and password. You can test this, that you connected correctly, by grabbing your wireless device and make sure you can browse the internet. Now we're going to connect your critical wired device. Here on the back, you will have 2 GB LAN ports. You'll go ahead and grab your computer or laptop, you'll connect it, and then you'll connect it directly in to the yellow LAN port. To test your AT&T Internet Backup due to a power outage or internet outage, you'll go ahead and disconnect your AT&T Internet Gateway. Disconnect the power, and you'll notice that the WAN LED will turn off, and now your device will be connected to the AT&T cellular network. So give it about 2 minutes and it'll connect right away. Then you will reconnect the AT&T Internet Gateway power, and then you'll see that the WAN LED light of the device will come back up in about less than 2 minutes. Great job. Your installation of your AT&T Backup is now complete. If you have any problems with your device, please contact AT&T support, which you'll find in the front page of your instructions that came included with the box. Thank you again for purchasing your AT&T Internet Backup, brought to you by AT&T and DataRemote.